All right, guys, this is gonna be short and sweet. I'm at my daughter's trailer. We're renovating it, and she's actually giving birth right now while I'm doing this. There was a couple things I needed to get done, and one of which is putting down these pads on her stairs. Now, instead of buying new stairs, I just wanted to put these pads on here because when this gets wet, it gets a little slippery. And the other thing is they're kind of older, and so it doesn't go back as far. So instead of getting new stairs, I just got these and installed these. Now, super easy to install. If they happen to be longer, you can cut these. I didn't need to cut them. These stairs were actually long enough. You just come and you just peel off the back and you stick them down. Once they're stuck, they are stuck. So I'm gonna just align it. Show you here. I'm just gonna align this right here with the front lip. Kind of give me some equal spacing on each side. Push it down. And we are good to go. I mean, these are really giving extra padding too. You know, so if you got some little kiddos that want to climb up here without shoes on, that's not gonna hurt their feet at all because it's not hard grippy. Pets as well can climb up this, not a problem. This outdoor patio light right here is gonna shine down right on these stairs. So I'm gonna put these reflectors right here, and that'll look really nice in the evening. Again, super easy, just peel and stick. I love installs when they're really easy. All right, that looks pretty good actually. Didn't intend this to happen, but check this out. The color actually matches the trailer. So kudos to Grandpa for getting one right this trip.